Dear students, welcome to the video, the expectation and variance of the binomial distribution. We have learned that expectation and variance are two measurements actually to evaluate the central tendency and spread of data. Given that X has binomial distribution with parameters n and p, where n is number of trials and p is probability of success, and you know that q is 1 minus p. In order to find expectation, which is denoted by mu, we can use n p. P is probability of success times n. It gives you overall, out of these n trials, how many success you expect to achieve. And to find the variance, we use the formula npq. And we know that, I write it here, q is 1 minus p. And we know that variance, if the question wants you to find a standard deviation is root of variance. That we already know. Example number 1, given that X has binomial distribution with parameters 12, so n is 12, and p is 0.3, therefore q is 0.7. Find the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of X. Now, in order to find mean, we use the formula np 12 times 0.3, giving you an answer of 3.6, and variance will be npq. So 12 times 0.3 times 0.7, which will be 2.52. And to find a standard deviation denoted by sigma, or you can write st, which is the square root of variance, so it will be a square root of 252, giving you an answer of 1.59, correct to 3 significant figures. Example 2, the random variable x has binomial distribution with parameters n and p. Given that expectation or mu is 12 and variance is 7.5, find the value of n and p. Part B, probability of x is equal to 11. For the first part, we know that expectation, which is np, is equal to 12, and variance, which is npq, is equal to 7.5. So you can make a pair of simultaneous equations. So we know that np is equal to 12. So I replace this np by 12. So q will be 7.5 over 12, which will be 0.625. Then p is 1 minus 0.625, which is 0.375. Then replace in one of the equations. For example, we know that np, n times 0.375 is 12. Then n will be 12 divided by 0.375, which is 32. Now for the second part, probability of x is equal to 11. It means that you are supposed to have 11 success out of n, which is 32 trials. So probability of success, which is 0.375 to the power of 11, and failure was 0.625 to the power of, out of 32, 11 are success. So 21 will be failure, which is 0.138.